Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Egg masala is the favorite dish of all of us. Egg masala is a dish which we specially go to the market to eat. So today we are also going to try a very tasty and easy recipe of egg masala, which we can make very easily at home. So let's see its recipe. So here we are going to make egg masala curry with 5 eggs. So according to this, first of all I have taken whole spices, which contains 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 bay leaves, 1 piece of cinnamon, 1 anise flower and 3 cloves. After this we took a dry spices here, which contains 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken dana masala powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder and salt as per taste. After this, here we have taken 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Later here we have taken finely chopped 2 tomatoes. Here we have taken 4 medium-sized onions and chopped them finely. And here are 5 boiled eggs. And lastly we have taken finely chopped coriander, finely chopped green chilies and ginger cut into long strips for garnishing. So first of all we will pour about 100 ml of oil in a pan. Once the oil is well heated, we will add the whole spices into it. We will cook the whole spices for 5 to 10 seconds. After this we will add chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. We will cook them by continuously turning them until their color changes and becomes light golden. So after cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, the color of these spices has changed and the nice aroma has also started emanating from them. So now we will add finely chopped onions into it. We will also cook the onion on medium to high flame while turning continuously till it turns light golden brown. Be careful that not to make the onions too golden, otherwise the color of the gravy will become too dark and its taste will also change. So while frying onion, we will keep stirring it continuously. Here after cooking the onion for about 2 to 3 minutes, its color has become light golden brown. So now we will add finely chopped tomatoes into it. We will also cook the tomatoes by turning them for 2 to 3 minutes so that the rawness go away. And we will cook it while turning till it leaves oil. So after cooking the tomatoes for 3 to 4 minutes, you can see that oil has started coming out of the tomatoes, which means that they have been cooked and the rawness has gone away. So now we will add dry spices to it. First of all, we will mix these dry spices with tomatoes well. After mixing them, we will add half a cup of water so that the spices do not burn and cook properly. We will also cook these spices for about 5 to 7 minutes while stirring occasionally. If needed, you can add little more water so that the spices don't burn and get cooked properly and their rawness goes away. So after cooking the spices for 5 to 7 minutes, you can see that spices have been cooked well. The oil has started separating from the gravy, which means that it's completely cooked and there is no rawness in them at all. So now we will add about half a glass of water here. After adding water, when the gravy starts boiling, we will add boiled eggs into it. Now we will cook this gravy with eggs on a slow flame for at least 5 minutes so that the egg mix well with the gravy and the flavor of the spices also gets absorbed in the egg. We had added chicken dana masala to the dry spices because dana masala already contains red color and corn flour. Its benefit is that the gravy will be red in color and it will also have a little thickness. So after cooking on a slow flame for 5 minutes, our dhaba style egg masala curry is ready. So now we will give it a delicious look. We will first shift it to a plate. After shifting it in a plate, we will garnish it with a finely chopped coriander, ginger and green chilies. You can see how tasteful it looks just by looking at it. It's also delicious and tasty that you will make it at home again and again and never go out to eat again. So you also try this recipe and do comment that how you like this egg masala curry recipe. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.